Hello everyone, myself is Shujit Kumar and my presentation topic is obligation of an advocates towards the court. Advocates have the equal responsibility of upholding the interest of the client fearlessly while conducting themselves as officers of the court. Accordingly, they are expected to adhere to the higher standards of probability and honor that is to be maintained before the court of law. An advocate's conduct should reflect their privileged position in society, which derives from the nobility of their profession. In a nutshell, if an advocate's service is given to the common man, should be compassionate, moral, and it must should be lawful. The rule mentioned in Chapter 2, Part 4 of the Bar Council of India Rule of Standards, professional conducts and etiquettes that shall be adopted as a guide for the advocates in conducting matters related to the law. Some of the factors that the advocate should maintain before a court of law, that's it must be the advocate duties towards the court, acting in a dignified manner during the presentation of his case. Also, while acting before a court, an advocate should act in a dignified manner before the judges, respect the court. An advocate should always show respect towards the court and advocates to be here, and that's to be bear in mind that the dignity and the respect that is maintained toward the judicial office is essential for the survival of a free community. And next point is not communal, not the advocate should not communicate in private. An advocate should not communicate in private to a judges with regard to any matters pending before the judges or any other judges. Refuses to act in an illegal manner toward the opposition. An advocate should refuses to act in an illegal or improper manner toward the opposition counsel or the opposite party. He shall also use his best effort to restrain and prevent his client from acting in any illegal matters. Refuses to represent client who insults or for unfair means. An advocate who also refuses to represent a client who insists him or who insults him to using an unfair or improper means of practice. An advocate should always appear in a proper dress code. An advocate should appear in a dress code that is mandatory and prescribed by the Bar Council of India. An advocate should refuse to appear in front of relations. An advocate should not enter or he should not be appear or act or plead or practice in any way before a judicial authorities if the sole or any member of the bench is related to advocate as a member of his family. Not to wear bands or gowns in public places. The advocate should must keep in mind an advocate should not wear bands or gowns in public places or other than in courts, except on such ceremonies, or we can say except on such occasions before the court. The advocates have to wear the gowns and the bands. Advocate should not represent or stabilize of which he is a member. An advocate should not appear or in a before of any judicial authorities for or against any establishment where he is a member of management. Means an advocate, if he is a member of any management, he should not be represent that community. Not appear in matter of pecuniary interest. If the advocate have his own pecuniary interest in any matter, he should not be appear on behalf of this matter. Not stand as surety for his client. An advocate should not stand as surety for his client or certified him soundness of a surety that his client requires the purpose of any legal proceedings. There are certain duties that has been defined by Bar Council of Act that the advocate rules towards the client as well. He is bound to accept the relief as well as the belief of the clients. An advocate is bound to accept any belief or he must should be brief in the court, tribunal, or before any other authorities in or before the court for the purpose of practice. Not withdrawal from service. An advocate should not ordinarily withdraw from service a client once he has agreed to serve them, not appear in matter where he himself is a witness. An advocate should not appear as a witness where he himself act as a witness. If he has a reason to believe in due course of events he will be a witness, then he should not continue to appear for his client in that matter. Full and frank disclosure to the client. An advocate should uh, communicate and should not be engaged in any continuance process where he is not frank to his client. Means not he should be explain each and every point, each and every consequences to his client, that whether the judgment will be in favor or whether the judgment will not be in favor. Uphold the interest of the client. It shall be a duty of an advocate to uphold the interest of his client by all fair and honorable means. An advocate shall do so without regard to any unpleasant consequences to himself or any others. So these are the basic obligation that is mentioned under Advocate Act 1961, that what are the basic obligation that a lawyer has to be followed before honorable court, before he is presenting before he is pleading before the court, and what are the obligation a lawyer must should follow before uh, before he is presenting his client, or he is representing his client before the court of law. Thank you.